Welcome back. My name is Patricia Regier. We're going to look at what is new in Canva. And I will link other videos here at the top or in the bottom in the description of related videos that I've created and full tutorials. But I wanted to show you there is, you would first go to your main page here and your home page, and you can pick any design and pick a template or something that matches what you're going to create. So if it's a video or a presentation, you can pick that kind of template. And I wanted to show this to you. Now I am showing you this time on a free basic plan. So what I'm going to have access to is not the pro level, just to show you that view. The other videos that I've created show you the Canva Pro account, and I will also link below where you can get access to Canva Pro for 45 days at no cost to give you that trial. There is a setup process, and I'll link how to do that below as well. Now, what's brand new in Canva is that you can screen record in Canva, and they have the additional options here of recording yourself. So in the top right, you just need to make sure you've connected your correct camera and mic. The mic is really important that you set that up. And then get yourself ready for the recording. This is some new options here, and it's your first look here on this channel of this new option. Super exciting. So not only just a screen recording type situation, but also recording your presentation here as well. So I'm going to show you a little bit behind the scenes as to how to do this. So yeah, I'm clicking here the screen recording, and I could pick my second monitor. It gives me different options. So this is a fantastic new great feature in Canva, and I'm showing you on the free account that you can do this. You can do a screen recorder. There is a bit of a setup. This looks a little bit like Twilight Zone, but when you are picking your second monitor, that's even better. Then you're able to share your screen and do a demonstration and be recording. Just make sure that you connect your mic for Canva's screen recorder option, or when you're recording a presentation. So I'm really excited to share this with you. I'm going to show you a little bit more behind the scenes as to how this looks. So that was the screen recording. I was opening up a presentation on my second monitor, and then it's just getting set up properly. You test this out with what looks right for you. So here I'm sharing my screen like I would on another platform, and I can be talking in the corner there and with the slide, and then go through the slide. So I'm testing this out right here so that, and once I click record, it does 3, 2, 1, and then it will pick up the mic and record that here. So I can go through my slides. I'm testing that it will go through my slides even though I am doing this through Canva. So I'm testing it all out here. I'm taking a look to see what all the options are, and then you will hear me in real time on and through Canva. So here, start talking about my presentation. I'll click over to my other slide here to. So what uploaded there in Canva, where I could find the record myself, it's in the uploads. That's where you'll find it. The 2 files were there, my video recording file and the full overlaid share screen as well. And the sound came through with that, no problem. So you go to create a design, and then you can pick video or presentation. and I'm clicking video there so that now I can edit what I just created. So I created it first in presentation, recorded myself, and now I can edit that video right in Canva as well. There's a video editor. So there's transitions. It's a fantastic new option as well. And I will give you a little bit behind the scenes here, looking at what I'm exploring. I can press play, I can trim it, I can add another video.
Start talking about my presentation.
Add another video right beside it. I'm taking a look to see what they look like, what is there. So both files are kind of separate right now in that section.
Start talking about my presentation.
And so what I've done now,
I've
taken those two files and I've overlaid them of how I want. I can move my little video around. I can make the slide bigger. Right there in the video editor, I can play with those files that I created all in Canva. It's really fantastic that this is an option now as well. So I'm just going to keep looking around, playing around with it, and give you some more tips. So I can flip my video around. I can also have it enter the screen in a different way as well. It gives me a lot of options, not just with overlays of different elements I can put into the video editing, but I can take the files or text and have it move into the slides there as well through the video editing process. Now I'm going to take a look and see what else there is that I can show you. Okay, so now I can add another section here. I could insert another video clip from Canva. I'm now going to go and look and see what kind of intros or outro, YouTube, and see what kind of videos are there. So you can type in anything and see what comes up. I could hit and I do welcome you to subscribe so that you can be notified when these great videos are coming up. We talk about here Canva and Zoom and other platforms, and about learning and development and online engagement when you're facilitating your workshops. So back to the video editing, I'm looking and seeing what kind of outro or intro I want to find here. And if you are also looking for an online course, we have a great micro course about how to elevate the engagement of your virtual facilitation. So I'll link that down below as well. If you're interested in a little bit more than the pro tips and tutorials and videos that we have here on the channel. All right, so I found a outro. You can change the font, the colors, make sure they match with your branding. There's a lot of great ideas. You can change all of these things here. And now I'm going to look at the three dots in the top right of that first segment for transitions as well. So Canva even has that built in too, that you can have some fancy, in between segments of your video editing. So you can grab another template and you can make changes. Here I'm adding in another video clip. I'll put it behind what was the template right there, make that bigger, and then position it behind. If you'd like more tutorials on some of these things, I will link those videos as well. You can change what the template looks like, and it's really exciting to see these new options here in Canva with the video editing and the screen recording, that you can create presentations and videos all in one place. It's really fantastic. And then when I'm looking here too for the outro, I can even find music right here in Canva and add that to the video. I can crop it, make it just so that it's the outro ending, because in YouTube, if you have an outro where you can feature your other YouTube videos, it has all the templates here. And the fact that I can grab some music at the beginning and the end here in this video is fantastic. I'll give you a quick little listen, and then I'll give you some other more pro tips. And And then your video is ready to download. You can take a look at it right there in Canva, see if there's anything else you want to edit, and then you can hit download. So just another final look here of your screen recording or video presentation recording option that you can even move around on the screen when you are creating your video here. Make sure that when you go to the record yourself, which is currently in the downloads section, you then make sure you connect your mic and have a go at it. I welcome you to try this out, play around, check out the links of the other videos and full tutorials. I hope that this was of value to you of another creation option so that you can create content that's learning related for your clients, your participants. And until next time, I hope that you're able to facilitate engaging learning experiences to turn an audience into participants. Thanks for watching. This is Patricia Regier.